What's up, guys? Today, me and Noob are playing Animal Company. Me and him have been playing this game for about, I don't know, 2-ish, 3-ish weeks now. And their new update just came out, aka I call it the Spider-Man update, because what I've seen from Discord, and we're gonna check it out. So this video is basically me playing Animal Company and also just playing it. Also, yeah, last update they added cosmetics. Yeah, customize your thing. They updated the cat and dog, which looks hideous still. The gyat. The gorilla gyat. Yeah, I got 300 monies. Bro, my friend is... If you guys know Glami, he buys everything. Like, literally, this guy's rich. He's gonna buy that pack. 100%. So, there's meant to be a new item. Yeah, tripwire. Yeah, it's the tripwire. Should I buy it? I got 2,000 moolah.
I have $2.
Yeah, bro, it is so much harder to get money. So in this update from Discord, what I've seen, hand update, dog and cat has been updated. I hate that they added new animals. Like, it's cool, but like I thought it was just gonna be. They kind of like, yeah, I know it's called Animal Company, but like they kind of like scared the living hell out of us with this update. No, last update. Like I know it's called Animal Company, but still, I just prefer if it was gorillas. And also, if they add, I want them to add the OG stump hands back. I would buy those instantly. I want the stump hands. I don't like fingers. They look weird.
Oh, crap! I need to turn off my flashlight, not drop it.
Bro, forgot the controls. Yeah, you can also pick up you can also pick up Bro, where did bro go?
Can you like walk on walls with these?
Oh, you're over there. Oh yeah, plungers. Yeah, push it on the wall and it will stick.
Oh damn.
Yeah, with 2, you're basically Spider-Man. Oh, I see another plunger. I'll grab the egg.
You got it?
I got the egg. Barely.
I'll be right back, just watch this.
I wanna go get that plunger, bro.
I'm getting it. Mine.
Cause I wanna see you become Spider-Man. Shut your bit.
A little scary.
Should I just run for how much health you got?
No.
I made it out with both of the plungers at 1 HP. W?
Give. No, it wasn't my little tiny baby hands once.
You'll know when the plunger's about to come off because you could see it stretching.
Little goofy.
Oh, we still have this area.
Oh, I forgot to change the map. I haven't played for like 2 weeks.
They changed the map basically every update, bro.
Yeah, that's what they do. They change the map every week. Even
like, it's cool, but it's very annoying.
They like keeping it fresh.
Yeah, keeping it fresh does make sense, but like, it is basically, with them updating the map every single thing, it's basically slowing the map updates down. You should put that egg in your bag. Yeah, let's not go that way. Let's go make some moolah. Landmine. Back.
Do you think void walking still works?
What?
Void walking? Walking in the void?
I don't know, but you can still do. You can do this. Basically, you'll know when it suctions. You just push it in, and then it'll go.
I want the plunger.
Fine. No, oh wait, you regenerate health? I never knew that.
Boy, you knew? You're newer than me, but I got you. How does it work? Gotta stab it into something.
What should I stab it? Like here? Nah. Let's do it. Let me do it. I'm gonna do it here.
You should have went to a public world and put the trip mine in the...
I ain't touching that. I dare you to. You can make like that one Mr. Beast video.
That'll be crazy.
I dare you to touch it.
Come on. There we go.
That was. I just wasted 600. Oh.
Yep, on a backpack.
You wasted it. Yeah. Oh well, that sucks. That's gonna be really funny though. Imagine we when we get like a bunch of money, we should make a video, or I will, unless you want to. We get trip mines and we put all of them around that sewer, like the hole that goes into sewers, and we just make it impossible to go down to sewers. And if anyone wants to go down, they have to die.
Alright, drop our map. Let's go.
Oh wait, we didn't even activate the machine to get the money. $250. Nice. Where should I go? Wait, let me go get a flashlight.
You'll never catch me alive.
Ain't no way you're running, bro. Broski! Hey! They should have like a headlight or like a strap light. Nah, doors floor 2 reference crazy.
Bye.
Yeah, this sewer hole, we just cover it with a bunch of trip mines. Yo, wait, he crawled on the ceiling, bro.
Like this?
I guess. Oh, I found plungers. Ouch. So I know the way, it's just that it's...
Jeez whiz.
Yeah, I know the way. It's just... Alright, follow me.
I can't see you. There you are.
Mimic!
Oh my god!
Yeah, nah, screw that.
That's my first time encountering them.
Yeah, they're creepy. I hate this part. Also, I think they didn't change the path. Last update, you had to go that tunnel, but they changed it back.
Wait, seriously?
Someone's gonna make a challenge where they have to beat the game only moving with plungers.
That's gonna be real fun.
That's gonna... How are they gonna, like, jump off down here? Oh, I think you missed. No, you didn't. I think I missed. How... I'm good. So barely.
Oh yeah, did they add an extra area in between here and the...
Yeah, it's so hard. It's not that hard. When you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. But you have to make a leap of faith, Miles. That's all it is. Like, what's up, danger?
I can't hear you.
When I went down, my hands almost stuck, but they went through the ground. Yeah, there's a floor here. You can just run up it normally. Alright, now we have to make a leap of fate. It's a leap of fate, Miles. That's all it is. Like, what's up, danger? It's this way. We can go that way. Let me just... Da-na-na-na, da-na-na.
Yeah, no, screw that. Screw that.
I almost died. The plunges are so sketchy, when you get used to it, it's so easy.
It's good, man.
Alright, now we have another dark part.
Oh my god!
So this, it's basically straight on, and then a right.
Dude, you're dead.
I can't! I got stuck. Plunger killed me. Bro, the stupid plunger killed me. I got stuck.
I'm gonna wait here.
I'll come with a flashlight. Can you... But, I need you to pick up my plungers in your backpack so then I can have them later. You could either go get them now or just wait for me to come bring you a flashlight. Stinky babungas, chinky babung, binky babung, monkey. Frick. I got 2 flashlights, I'm dual wielding. I need a pee so badly, bro. For content. That's a bomb. Whee. Wait, is the mimic here? I can see Chaster. I'm at the first big area.
Wall.
How the heck are you stuck in a wall? How the heck are you stuck in a wall, bro? Your audio cut off. Say it again. So many, like, tunnels.
Never mind.
Not gonna lie, I haven't seen the rock guy anymore. I think they removed him.
I see a mimic.
I'm at the big area. I'm on my way. I'm plug in my head. Do you see me?
No, all I see is a mimic.
I'm about to jump down to the tunnel.
There's a mimic in the second tunnel.
Whee! Oh my plungers. I'm gonna put my plungers in this bag. Yo, wait, do you have plungers?
No. Bro, I'm in the ceiling. That's not me, that's me. Run.
It's this way. I took the wrong way. It's this.
It's over here.
Yeah, I know.
I'm right here.
Wait, do you not have your plungers?
No.
Should I go get them for you?
No, I don't want to. They killed you, I don't want to die.
Alright, yeah, they killed me because I was stupid. You good? Persky?
No, not good.
Get out the wall!
My hand's stuck in the bottom area.
Yank it out, then. Like, right.
Like that?
I guess. Let me see if I can see what you're doing.
Don't get in!
Yeah, I'm not. I'm trying to see what you're doing. There you go. I see your head. Boop. And then just... Nice.
So it still works.
Bang. Holy cow. Alright. Do you want a flashlight? Well, I know what I'm doing.
Give me one.
No, because you didn't want them. They're mine. Hey! I need it for content, bro.
Fine, take one.
No, I need
For
both.
content. No, take one and a flashlight.
No, because I have a strategy where I climb, like, to the end instead of, like, using a
Climb with
flashlight.
one, it's zero gravity, bro.
No, but when we get to the end part, I can climb. Just drop it.
Then I'll give it to you at the end part. Like, it's not that hard, bro.
It's not that hard, bruv. You dumb
See,
bum.
it sounded normal.
Chicken tenders.
Sometimes I'm not crazy. Then I remember I'm friends with you. British people aren't real.
Let's touch that. You know, your body can touch these things, but if your hand does... Oh, it's this way. I went the wrong way.
No, careful, careful, careful!
I just realized it's not that way. It's this way.
Oh, what?
Yeah, I went the wrong way. Wait, there's a red light, green light over there.
No, there's red lights.
Oh yeah, because there's red lights. Alright, come on.
Oh, I have one shot, by the way.
Bruh.
Wait for me.
The plungers are so much fun to use. They're probably... Like, I hope they make it so you can just purchase them instead of... Oh my god, I almost touched that tentacle. Crap. I need to go around.
Nerve endings.
Holy cow. Ouch. Ouch. I just took so much damage, but I luckily... Ooh, plunger.
Oopsily doodles.
Oopsie poopsie, I made a doopsie. Alright. My name is Miles Morales. Bro, these plungers help out so much. If you watch this video, bro, they help out so much.
Mike cut out.
Nah.
Crap.
This part's fun. I'm at the anglerfish part. I'm gonna do my Spider-Man technique. Ugh. There you go, that's what we're looking for, the wire. Just the wire. Alright, now I gotta stick onto that. Yeah, for some reason you can stick onto this, which is a bit glitchy. Please don't make me jump off. Yes. Alright, just jump down, press the button, and we're good. Please don't see me, please don't see me, please don't see me. Thank God. I did it!
Yeah. Down here now, boy.
Wait, hold on, let me.
Honey.
I am Spider-Man. Did you just kill yourself?
Yeah, I killed myself multiple times to get this up. Just
Don't
keep
take my plunges, I
running.
swear, bro. Drop it.
How much does it sell for again?
It used to be like 3,000, but now it's like 1,000. I'm stuck! Press the button, please. Bro, when you watch this video, you're gonna be shocked of my, like, little, like, thing I did.
I'm gonna do this.
You're gonna blow it up. Yo, if you don't mind me, bro, I'm just gonna climb this wall like Spider-Man.
Or if you're just good at like the remote motion like me, you do this.
Fuck! Does this stick? Oh, it does.
It's like, well,
I wish you. Yeah?
I don't think I've actually ever played Gorilla Tag with you.
Because we haven't. We've just played this and Yeeps.
And record.
Oh, yeah. But like for 2 minutes. A landmine! Ooh! I thought I could run away. But your boy. Swear my plunge! My plunge!
He's gonna go buy a gun.
I suck.
Oh no, I leaked the code. I leaked your code. You're editing that out of the video.
No.
I'll look at the video for you. It's my private
If
code.
they can join here if they want. You can just add like
No.
another number. They probably won't even join, but if they do, like, okay, we're probably never gonna
This
be in
video
here though.
blows up. You get thousands of views on it. People join this code, flock to it just because we said don't join.
Did I just buy? I just bought another one.
And he bought another.
I can't grab it. Yo, wait, let's go. Yo, wait, do you wanna go kill the mimic?
I don't really like the mimic. I don't mind it.
Huh?
I don't mind the mimic.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. The cave or that?
I don't know. I'm expecting you to pull the pin at some point and just run with it.
No, I'm gonna kill. Wait, should I kill the red light, green light?
Yeah.
Alright. Pulled the pin.
Chuck it! Oh, not at me!
It didn't work. I'm so.
Bozo!
Shut up. That hurt my feelings.
I don't feel bad at all.
I'm recording. Ugh, give me it back. Give my plunges. How did I not get you though? Alright. Yes! I can't grab this. I gotta run.
I'm gonna go play Gorilla Tag.
They were never.
Got him. go. I have literally no clue of where you are. Bro, I've lost you. I hear you.
Itsy bitsy spider crawled up the
There you are. Get down here.
The itsy bitsy spider climbs a water spout. Whoa, yo!
What?
You'll see when you watch the video. Skip to this time on screen. There's no time on screen. Ooh.
Yeah, because you can't edit a video.
Do I have anything on my back?
That's why my channel's better than yours. I edit my videos.
How much subs do you got?
My channel will be linked in the description, right? Dude, over here.
No? Ooh.
Come on. Come on.
You fuck!
Oh. So much for family friendly.
I might change being family friendly. I'm not sure. Like, not
Well,
like
if you wanna be more
swearing all the
advanced, you might
time.
want
Maybe
to be
just
more
like limit, like just barely any swears. Like, if I
More
like say
than that,
ow,
I would
f, I just stub my toe. Like, for example, yeah, I can do that.
You know, if you edit your videos, you can swear all you want. You just have to edit it out.
True. I'm so tempted to throw this bag, bro.
Do it.
Okay, I'm not gonna do it.
Hot potato.
Yo, throw the bag back.
Let's play chicken. Stand by the landmine.
Hot potato, hot potato. You're gonna blow us up. Thanks, bro. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout.
Dying and then hearing the itsy bitsy spider is crazy.
Dying. Itsy. What are we gonna do
Bro,
next? Because we're
teabag
just
my
stalling at this point.
Yeah, we're just editing, we're just lengthening the video runtime. What?
Woo. Yeah. Oh crap.
Dude.
Yeah, I know. There's no colliders on it for some reason.
These have clips. Yo,
Yo, dog. What you buying to? What you buying, fool? Fool.
but I ain't selling, fool. Yo, yacht.
Hey, yo. God
Yeah,
damn.
the gorilla still is the best yacht.
There's not even a gap for the other ones. It's just the gorilla gap. Yo, bro, let's play hide and seek. Count to 30. I'm ready. Just a Despicable Me theme. Just. I'm Spider-Man. Bro, I'm gonna go to the moon. Dog, this thing. Wait, is there an invisible barrier? Just for the bag bursting. Okay, bye.
Cyclops, wait. I want to show you my Gorilla Tag transformation machine.
Alright, let's see it. Hold on. Wait, let me just
Press those buttons. Get in here and press those buttons. I'll press those buttons and you'll magically appear in Gorilla Tag.
Really? I'm not that dumb, bro.
Then try it on me.
Okay. You've got something in your hand, right?
What? Press them. No, no!
Wait, where is he? Where is bro at? Hold on. Where the frick frackle did you go? Did you rage? Should I end the video then? Alright. You guys can't hear him. Or maybe you can, I'm not sure. But that was the grappling. That was the grappling update, but aka my first video on Animal Company. Hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe I'll make more videos in this game. Maybe I'll not. But yeah, yeah. Sussy Bungus. Also, I'm planning, guys, to me and my friend. I'll make not noob, but a different friend. We are making an escape room in Yeeps and Seek. Alright, see you, noob. Guys, me and my friend are making an escape room in Yeeps. When it's done, I will post what the custom world code is, and you guys can hop on and have fun in it. I've got some plans from it. I'll hint you to them. Basically, it's a 2-player escape room. There is a spectating mode, which basically you spectate and you go above the escape room. You can watch other players play their rounds. We're planning to do speedrun mode, which basically you go for a race and you try and beat the escape room in a time. So we're looking forward to seeing you guys play it. We've got a lot of work to do, so don't expect it to be out until like October. But we're trying our best to get it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please use code OWLBOY, all capitals, OWLBOY, because that's my best friend's Fortnite creator code. Helps him out so much. You can use it in Fortnite, Fall Guys, Rocket League, and any game that supports Epic Games. So please use it and have a great day. Alright, see ya. Bye. Alright, now I'm gonna go pee.